Okay, so we're going to continue. We've got 4x, and then we're distributing a negative 4. So minus 4x minus 4h. Okay, and it is still all over h. So remember, that's like multiplying by the reciprocal, so times 1 over h. Okay, so now I still have my limit as h approaches 0. All right, so our x's cancel out. Because we only have negative 4h on top, the h's will cancel out. And so we're left with the limit as h approaches 0 of negative 4 all over x plus h. All right, now we're going to apply our limit. So h is going to go to 0. And we're left with negative 4 over x times x is x squared. So that is our derivative. Okay, and if I had a specific value, we could find it here. All right, so notice it looks similar to the original, but it's not. Okay, well, you go ahead and give it a try. I think there's 3 for you to choose and 3 specific slopes to find. Okay, good luck.